Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to solve tricky tiles in Vita Mahjong app. Let's get started. First, open the Vita Mahjong app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, just start the game. First, identify block tiles. Tricky tiles are usually covered or stuck under the other tiles. Look carefully at the layers above and around them before making any moves. Next, clear the edges first. Tiles on the top and sides are easier to remove. Opening up these tiles often free the tricky one hiding underneath. Look for matching pairs nearby. Instead of trying random matches, check for tiles that directly unblock the tricky tile. Think a few steps ahead. Some matches might seem good but can block other tiles later. Finally, stay patient and use patterns. Tricky tiles often repeat shapes or colors. Spotting this pattern will help you find matches faster without relying on hints. And that's it. Identify block tiles, clear edges first, focus on pairs that free them, plan moves ahead. Following these steps will solve tricky tiles in Vita Mahjong like a pro on your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.